Hello guys, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Fury Warrior Optical Gaming Mouse. Okay, let's see, we have up to 3200 dpi, 4-level GPI switch and LED backlight. Okay, here we have a rubberized finish and comfortable grip, optical sensor as I said, and backlight. More specs here, and let's see what we have inside because this is an unboxing. Seal it, sealed. Let's open it. Oh, ta-da! Feels very nice. Very nice cable, USB, and let's back back. Let's connect it to our PC and see how it goes. I just connected and we are seeing the Rgb Is Changing Colors. Very nice, just love it. Very nice, beautiful mouse. Well guys, that was the unboxing and reviewing of this lovely mouse. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice, but hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Have a nice and lovely day.